I am Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for all the comments, the likes, the shares, and thank you to all the members of my channel. I appreciate you guys so very much, and I just want to let you know that. Okay, guys, so one of the things that I would like to talk to you about is exercise. We do sit, as crocheters, we do sit a lot. And so what I try to do is if I'm sitting for at least an hour, I will get up. I do have my Fitbit on, and I will look at it, and I try to get at least 250 steps in. And then, you know, if I have a project that I've got to get done, that's about all I can do is get the 250 steps in, and then I'm back sitting down again and getting my crochet and stuff, getting it going. But if you can't get out, go to a gym or get outside or walk or whatever, make sure you set a little alarm or something so that while you're crocheting that you get up. Just get up, walk around your house, go get you some water, go to the restroom, let the dogs out, whatever it is you got to do, go check your mail, but try to get in at least 250 steps and then sit back down and finish getting your job done, whatever it is you've got to do. But I think that will help you. It will keep your heart pumping, keep your heart healthy. One of the things I do besides getting up every hour, like I said, I try not to sit more than an hour. I like to get up and move. But one thing that I have incorporated is I go to the gym about 3 times a week. And I do the treadmill, I do some weights and things like that. So I'm just going to show you a little clip of one of the gyms that I go to, and every now and then with a friend, and I will show you a little bit of what I do there. So let's let it roll. Okay, guys, I'm a little embarrassed to show you what I do, but yeah, that's what I do at one of the gyms, or some of the things that I do at the gym. I just want to show you a little short clip. The main gym I go to is my local recreation center. I do have 3 classes I go to a week, and I've met some wonderful ladies in those classes, and it is really so much fun. I enjoy getting out and meeting people, and just, you know, having good communication and just making friends. So you know, as crocheters, like I said, we tend to sit a lot and watch TV and just not really communicate that much. And I just want to encourage you guys to get up, get out, do something. You can always go back and crochet, and you know, your crochet is going to be there. I love crochet, obviously. Look at my room. But I also want to keep my heart healthy. So and drink a lot of water and fruit, and eat a lot of fruit. So anyway, I just want to tell you that maybe help encourage you guys. If you never really thought about getting up every hour, that's all you need to do, is just get up every hour, walk at least 250 steps. I'm just going to show off a project, you know, that I'm going to start over the weekend, and my finished doll outfit that I am finished with. Here are 2 right there that I've got listed, and then I've got one more. So just grab you a cup of coffee. I am drinking out of my cute little monkey cup, just plain old black coffee this morning. It's so good. Okay, one of the things that I would like to show you guys is I did finish the little gown, the little pig outfit, the little gown, and I even made a little pocket right here for her, put a little bow here. Oh my gosh, and thank you, Margie. Margie is the only one who noticed that I did not have nostrils on one of the shoes, just the other. So thank you so much for that, Margie. I had to go back and put some little nostrils on it. This is the back side. And it does button. I just don't have my button on there yet. But this is the little pig nightgown. I hope you guys like it. And this will be in my Etsy shop as soon as I get the corrections and stuff on it. So yeah. So I'm really enjoying this pattern. And like I said, then there's the little pig hat, pig outfit, the little pig one-piece suit. It's got the little curly tail on the back side, and then the removable skirt. So I've made 3 pig outfits. I'm just stuck on the pig thing. Okay, so I guess you could say Happy Mail, but it's things that I bought. So I did, as you guys know, I do, hold on a second, let me show it to you. I keep a journal of everything I've made, and I take pictures of it, and then I talk about where I get the pattern, the yarn, and all that kind of stuff. So, and it just really helps me. Sometimes I write the whole pattern out, but I literally take a picture of everything I've made. So that's kind of an idea. So what I did buy, let me put my book down. So I had to replace some of the, it's Canon 20 sheets Ivy. I'll leave the link below. It's zinc photo paper. Anyway, it's sticky back. So there's 20 sheets in here. So I bought me some of those. And I did get me new flash drives, guys. This one, they're a little more colorful. And I just thought that'd be more fun. How do I open that? I got this down good. Okay, so I bought 5 colors. They have other colors too, but I think they might have been out of stock. So I bought a set of 5 and then another set of 5. And then see, you just turn it like this. I think it'd be easier for you guys than the kind that I did have where you pull that thing up that was really hard to pull. And it has this right here that you can hang it on something. So I thought that was really cool. But yeah, so I've got 2 packs of these restock. So I do sell flash drives on my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. It's all my patterns. So I have 3 different price levels. One with 14 inch, and then one with 18 inch, and then one with everything. I believe that's the way it goes. But anyway, they're in my Etsy shop. So, and I just want to say thank you guys to the ones who have been purchasing these lately. I truly appreciate it. Okay, so, oh, and then they are, I believe they're still 15% off, by the way. So the other thing is that I bought for myself is this Amigurumi Farmyard. It says over 20 cute crochet patterns to make your own mini farm. And it's a hardback book. It's small but cute. It says US $13.95. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I had like reward points, and so I was able to purchase it with that. So I didn't actually put out cash. But here we go. Amigurumi Farmyard. Let's see. It says Josephine Knudsen describes herself as a dedicated crochet and needlework nerd. She is a trained textile designer and communicator at VIA University College in Herning, Denmark. She also works as a freelance crochet designer at Mayflower, and she is an ambassador for Panduro Hobby. So here is the creator of this book. So anyway, so I would like to make a few of these for my grandkid. Yeah. Some of these, it's kind of hard to show you because the pattern is like right where the thing is. Don't know if I'd make that or not, but I'd like to make the pig though. Anyway, it's just a bunch of little farm animals. I wish there was like showed all of them. But that's cute. Look at that. Looks like a dish rag. Might even look at that as a dish rag. Anyway, so I did purchase that. So the next thing, guys, that I am working on is, I told you about this right here. Pixie the robot. I'm going to make 2 of these. And it's a free pattern on Line Brand. I've got my yarns all pulled out. I'm going to keep all the colors the same except for the stripes on the arms and legs. And one is going to be the dark blue, one is going to be this lighter blue. Otherwise, the head part, the body, everything is going to be the same on the 2 robots for the 2 little boys. Let's see. I was going to show you a picture of that in color. Let's see. There it is. That's what I'm planning on making. I'm pretty excited about it. I love colorful stuff like that, as you guys can see, like my sloth. I mean, I love that type of amigurumi stuff. That's what attracts me. Okay, let's see, what else do I have? Well, let's go ahead and listen to our Be Still and Know devotion. Held captive by fear. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. Yes, you will lie down and your sleep will be sweet. Do not be afraid of sudden terror, nor of trouble from the wicked when it comes. For the Lord will be your confidence and will keep your foot from being caught. Proverbs 3:24-26. Fears overwhelm our minds, causing anxious thoughts and sleepless nights. How will the bills get paid this month? Will the doctor have bad news? Family members need help. Friends are overwhelmed with suffering and we can't make it all okay. When fearful thoughts flood our minds, God's words of wisdom and comfort can get washed away. If we can learn to fully trust Him, He will calm our fears and still our quickened hearts. We can be fearless because our confidence is in God and His promises. Lord Jesus, help me not to be held captive by fear today. Take away the flood of terror and assure me that you are my refuge. You lovingly attend to my every need and I can rest in you. Okay, guys, I'm so glad you are enjoying that as much as I enjoy that. Don't forget, I do put out a daily devotional every single morning at 12 a.m. It's YouTube Shorts. So be sure and check that out. Listen to that. I do have to talk a little fast. Apologize for that. I think you can go into your speed setting and slow it down, hopefully. I'm not really sure. I haven't tested that yet. I know you can on videos, but I'm not sure about the shorts. But they only give you a minute. And I have to get all that in less than a minute. So anyway, I thank you guys for leaving the comments and hitting the thumbs up and stuff on that. I really appreciate that. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.